I called up a hotline that I got off the computer, and Solar Bear was one of the companies that came up, and I called and asked for an interview, and you came right over. And after that, it was all done perfectly. Everything was done with total professionalism.
We understood exactly what we were getting into, what we would be receiving moving forward, and it is an accredited company.
They had the best product, and their sales rep was absolutely professional. His explanation was excellent.
They were all professionals and very knowledgeable with questions that were asked.
Solar Bear is one of the best companies out there. They have shown their ability and their willingness to do the right thing and help us all. We want to save the planet, and we want to show the world that solar really works and is going to be useful in the future to keep our planet alive and something for our children to look forward to and our grandchildren. Everything was perfect, and God bless them. 5-star.